Welcome to this presentation, where we will present the project entitled System Support for Online Rehabilitation of COVID-19 Patient. My name is Erik Per-Jons.
And I'm Martin Henken.
We are both from Stockholm University. The background is that there are a large number of patients with severe cognitive problems after COVID-19. They have concentration problems, they have reduced attention, limited processing speed. They also become fatigued when they are carrying out their work. The rehabilitation clinics are overwhelmed with such patients, and the waiting lists are long. Sometimes patient has to wait up to half a year to meet a doctor. The aim of this project is to develop a system for online rehabilitation of patients with cognitive long-term symptoms after COVID-19. The system under development supports both the patient but also the clinicians in the rehabilitation process. For example, the clinician can select the training module for the patient in the system, and then the patient can carry out the training using the system, make notes and receive feedback from online clinicians. Therefore, the system can be seen as a self-care support system. The duration of the project is 2 years. We have just finished the first year. The participants are Danderyds Hospital, Rehabilitation Clinic, researcher from Stockholm University, the software company Visera Integration, which developed the prototype of this system, and then also Telia company that work as a reference partner. The project is funded by Digital Future.
In the project, we use a new tool called Visera Information Manager. What's interesting with this tool is that it's based on visual processes. It fully supports integration with other systems, it's 100% web-based, and it doesn't require a lot of coding to create applications. What's also interesting with the tool is that it supports all the development cycles, from requirements, development, even up to execution and follow-up. So we use the same tool for all of these processes. The result so far in the project is that we started to analyze the rehab processes using the tool. We also have digitalized a set of paper forms that we can use later on. We also have prototype web applications that can be used by patients, physicians, and opticians. Now we will continue with refining this prototype. This model gives an overview of the rehabilitation process. You can see that it has 3 main parts. On the top here, we have the administrative care flow. That is, there we register patient data, we talk to the patient initially, and the patient visit us, and so on. Second part is here, where you do various kind of examinations. And this here on the right-hand side is the third part, and that contains the actual rehabilitation activities. So let's take a closer look at this part of the care flow, and this is the eye examination part. You can see here that the tool allows us to specify in detail how this care flow should be carried out. There is a number of roles involved in this care flow. We also have a main process with activities. We have a set of data that are used in this care flow, and also have a set of user interfaces where the user interact with the data. So we can take a closer look at the user interface used by the opticians in order to enter values that are measured during the eye examination. This user interface is used to record values that are measured during the eye examination.
The expected effects of this project, or the tool that are developed in this project, is an improved rehabilitation for patients. It will also decrease the workload on rehabilitation clinics. For example, it could save the clinician with unnecessary work steps, such as calling and reminding the patient of the rehabilitation. It can also help the clinicians to calculate results from investigations, but also the patient could train his or herself and thereby decreasing the workload on the physician. Another expected effect is to better track the long-term effects of different treatments. Different treatment could be trained, you can get data from these treatments, and then in the long run you could start creating evidence for which treatment works better than others. It also gives a better understanding of process-based tools because Visera's tool is one of several.
Thank you for listening. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.